Hello, dear all my friends. I have a page on RMZ merchandising. On through that page, I try to connect the audience and some our young learners to get some idea about apparel merchandising, about how to we are doing merchandising, how we are doing marketing, and how we are getting the orders and how we are doing the shipment. So about the same, actually, I am going to develop a channel, YouTube channel. Today the first. So dear all my friends, I'm going to develop this YouTube channel, uh, YouTube channel with all the very essential and very healthy, informative way about our RMG sector, as well as about our marketing and merchandising section. About grabbing the order, how we are taking the order, how we are grabbing the order, then doing up to taking the order to shipment, how we are doing maintains everything, and then after taking order the shipment after so many laboring and working, it's a big journey, it's a big challenge as well, to complete all the tasks, and also about them who are working behind or giving hard labor behind all the works. About them I would like to also develop here, say something, what the series workloads we have to maintain, as well as lots of learning and thoughts would be in this channel. But yes, you must have to keep patience. You have to have patience to be with us to get some idea about this industry. It is a big industry in Bangladesh, and through our, I mean, if you consider our total economic earning in Bangladesh, 84% is covering. So in this huge, it's a huge sector. So a little part I'm going to share. It's not possible to cover all, but whatever I would like to cover all. So lots of learning and thoughts would be in this channel gradually. But yes, you must have to keep patience to get some knowledge all about this world. Hoping we'll get hoping we'll get a lot of supports from the audience, from the students, from all the learners, and of course you will give support me to develop the channel by which many new youths can enrich themselves as well as taking risks from here. So yes, today I'm going to start with very ABC part. I mean, like apparel merchandising. What is apparel merchandising? How we are doing? In a short, if I want to say apparel merchandising, what is that? Starting from very initial costing, initial development, till shipment completion, with all the tasks of a merchandiser have to have involvement. A merchandiser have to keep involvement. In vast sense, after successful marketing, whenever we are getting order, whenever a merchandiser connect the order, I mean, whenever a buyer sends the order, a merchandiser what have to do? A merchandiser have to analyze the product first with all the risk parameters. What is the risks are there, and have to consult, have to discuss with other related team member. Team member other related means here, there is quality team is separate. There is I team, especially in a first level quality team. With quality team and technician, we have to talk, have to discuss what is the risks, as well as with the lab people also, because there is lots of test parameter. So whether all the test parameter is okay or not for this product, whether all will be applicable, or all from all the test will get passed, it might get some risks after getting order. And after getting order, if we go to I mean, for risk analysis for risk parameter, that might be risky. So before starting, you have to do everything. So what one have, so a merchandiser have to be careful in, I mean, very carefully he have to handle. You have to analyze the product first with all the risk parameter, then considering all, have to do what, fabric and accessories consumption, then costing, and after getting order. And for the costing there is also some how have to do costing for the doing costing, what a merchandiser have to do, that's I will discuss in later. There is a merchandising follow chart, merchandising cycle, that's I will discuss later. But in definition, I'm not going to say all things. Just in short, like I can say, that's after getting the order, a merchandiser have to do the proper consumption, then have to book the fabric, then all the accessories, and making a proper timeline. And with this timeline, have to do make in-house everything within the MIG date. MIG date means there is a TNA that is in-house date, and targeting your shipment date, the merchandiser have to make the TNA. So when the fabric should be in-house, then when it would be production line, and PSD, I mean production would be started, then how many days, how many line. That's analyze. That's also a vast task. After doing that task also a merchandiser have to do. Then after after making all the in-house, a fabric in-house, then after making production, a, a, a merchandiser have to keep continuous follow-up, continuous task up with production in it, as well as same way in parallel with buyers. Have to arrange. Then after completing the goods, time to time check up there is QC team, there is different team, I mean RQS team, QS team, they are doing this follow up in the factory level, as well as the factory concern is of course there. So but one thing is that whoever are there, merchandiser is the pilot. So merchandiser have to keep involvement in everything, every place. So have to arrange up to shipment, have to arrange everything. Then after completing the goods, have to offer the inspection to the buyer. Then after doing inspection, have to send the quality goods. So after sending the goods, even sometime have to keep involvement till fund realization. It means from starting development costing to getting fund realization, every task a merchandiser have to keep involvement for getting a successful result and for getting a successful merchandising. That's all about in very short about merchandising. So there is merchandising, there are some cycle, there are lots follows up. So I'd like to today I'm not going to discuss all, just I'm going to discuss about merchandising cycle. Today I'll discuss merchandising cycle, then gradually I will discuss one by one. So merchandising cycle, see there are some cycle. If I discuss about the cycle, so very shortly I can say that first about, again I'm saying that's marketing. We have to do marketing. How? We have to correct the factory profile. What I mean is like the advertisement. We have to do advertise our factory. We have to send profile. We have to write. We have to show our capabilities. We have to show our short analysis. What our strength we have, and we have to make ensure buyer that yes, if I get the order, I can do the shipment very successfully. That's the first part. I mean marketing with different buyer and customers. The second I can say, after getting the order, that order analyzing, we have to do the risk assessment sheet, to analyze the about the package, I mean details package of that product. Then after getting, then we have to do making consumption, then we have to make productivity with the help of IE, as well as we have to get some idea about SMB, SPM, everything. So about SMB, SPM, yeah, that's I will discuss later also, part by part. Then it's collecting all record fabric and accessories price for the costing, then costing. And at the time of costing, just keep in a head that CPM, what is CPM? Yeah, that's I also discuss, because there are lots of terminology in the garments. So CPM is cost per minute of that factory, of that industry. According keeping ahead, you have to take the do the costing. uh, then yeah, one thing I have to say, that's why you are keeping a CPM in head, because suppose if one company is for one in a factory CPM is say 6 cents, say. So at the time of costing, we have to keep in mind that, so of course my costing FOB should, my costing SPM, there is sales per minute, CPM is cost per minute, and SPM is sales per minute. Sales per minute should be more than CPM to get profit. Otherwise, the factory will not long run. For the sustainable, we have to keep, for the sustainable costing. Of course, we have to keep in mind CPM and SPM. Then after finalizing the costing, we'll get order. The merchandiser receive the order. After getting the order, what? Making time and action plan. Then booking record fabric and accessories. Then making them in house with the proper MID, maintenance of the MID. If needed, also follow up the LC. Then keep follow up all the production to meet the TNA. TNA means time and action calendar. That's you met after getting the PO, keeping ahead, respecting the buyer shipment date. Of course, whatever it will be, whatever I mean, it may be, but we have to keep in head buyer shipment. You have to respect the shipment, and respecting that shipment date, that TOD you can say time of delivery date, or you can the CRD you can say buy to buy it is vary the terminology. So we have to make the buyer merchandiser have to make the TNA. So then say making them in house, making all the factory accessories and fabric in house, then keeping follow up on production to meet the TNA. An issue have to highlight, and if an issue might be an issue, in it's a vast tax, a lot of problem might come. So whatever issue come, just highlight, don't keep in hide, don't keep in inside, just thought your just discuss with the team member, or discuss or hide, even if needed, discuss the top level also. And last of all keeping involvement for on time shipment. Up, whatever issues come here, discuss with the factory people as well as if record with buyer with the customer, then immediately solve, don't keep in on hold. Then see, and last of all keeping involvement for on time shipment, then from starting to ending up, always have to keep close monitoring. Again I'm saying, from starting to end up, have to please keep close monitoring, as well as daily corresponding with buyers as well as production people to solve any issue if occurs in between. So that's all my today's part. Next I will discuss about more about merchandising knowledge, what the quality should be, what the parameter, or what is the follow chart might be. That I'll discuss in my next slide. I would like to request all my learners to be with me, to patience, and help us to continue to enrich this space, so that a lot of people who are have interest to develop their career in this sector, in the RMG industry. It's a vast industry in Bangladesh. Would like to involve in this sector. I think they must uh, would be helpful from this space, from this channel. I think, dear all viewers and learners, whatever discussed is here, discussion is here. Everything is given in the descriptive box, as well as there is a Facebook page with name RMG and Merchandising. RMG and Merchandising. With that page, link is also given here. If you visit this page, a lots idea you'll get about the merchandising RMG industry, and whatever discussion will be here, everything is given in the page also, as well as descriptive post. So request all the learners to see the details, and if you have any comments, any suggestion, please do. Thanks.